it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and this is just a little hints and tips that are sort of little hints and tips as I come across things that I think might be useful to you guys or not. So I've just unboxed this gorgeous painting from Dispaint, who I think are in collaboration with Home Fun, this tree. However, once I've done it, I've peeled back and I've sort of ended up tearing the paper. But in turn, when I've folded it back, I've also ended up getting a little bit of paper on the canvas. Now, I have seen people have problems before where they've the inventory sheet might have stuck onto their canvas and caused them problems. So I thought I would give it a go on a few of the hints. This is the first time it's happened to me, but I thought I'd give it a go on a few of the hints that people have said. Now, let me zoom in so that you can actually see. So here's the sticky bit of paper. It is only a tiny amount, but you're gonna hopefully get the idea, because I don't really want to test it by actually putting a piece of paper on my canvas. But yeah, I know accidents happen. It has happened to some people, and many people, the first thing they will say is a baby wipe, and that is what I want to get. And all my kids are teenagers, but I do have baby wipes around the house. However, today I have none. So I've just decided to try it with you guys, see if it works. All I've picked up is a standard J-cloth and I've wet it. So a baby wipe without the nice smell and the softness and whatever else. So let's give this a go and see if it gets up that little bit of paper and leaves the sticky. And it already looks like it might. So I'm just running over it with a J-cloth, which is of course dampening the paper so that it comes up. And there we go. So it was only a small amount of paper. Of course, if you do it on a big piece, you might have to work harder. It was just where this has overlapped on itself, and it's actually, because it's ripped in between, it caught this part of the paper. So that's come off. And did you hear that? That's still sticky. And it's not fully dried yet. But the main part where it was is still sticky. I switched fingers because this finger's wet and it wasn't giving me the sound as much. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Still sticky. Canvas is fixed. Carry on with your drills. Job's a good one. So let me zoom back out. Canvas is now repaired, ready to get prepped and completed. So all I've used is just a J-cloth with a little bit of water to get up that bit of paper, and you can carry on. So if the same things happens to you and you end up with paper on your canvas where it shouldn't be, don't fret. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to put that down. I think I've got it down without getting paper on it, but if I have, it's not a big drama. So thank you so much for watching, for that little hint and tip, and I'll speak to you all again soon.